Hi, welcome to the program. Today I'm gonna make a very easy and simple banana bread which has been adored by kids and everyone. What you need a bread tins, bananas, sugar, milk, oil, flour, baking powder and vanilla. First, the bread tin. Okay, make sure you use oil and silicone paper, parchment paper. Make sure the oil is everywhere. You want the cake not to stuck. Okay, just start in the middle, gentle, aside, side, here, on the front. Okay. The recipe is easy and basic. You go to 500 the banana. But you need 5 banana, you need 6. You leave this one to the end for decoration. 500 gram of sugar, caster sugar. Ready? You need 500 gram of caster sugar. You put it in a bowl. First, we're gonna mix this electric whisk. You're gonna add eggs. You need 5 eggs. Slowly. Give it a good mix. You need fresh milk, 125 ml, gentle. You need 125 ml of vegetable oil. Nice and creamy. High speed. That's enough. Okay. We need the 500 gram of plain flour. Sift it. I made it easy, everything 500, like 1, 2, 3. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of soda powder. And you mix gentle. You do the side. And take your time. Don't rush. And the mixer is quite runny. I'm going to take this to the mix and give it a good mix. You start with speed 1, couple teaspoons of vanilla essence. That's ready to go. Okay, let's double check. Okay. And you pour it straight away in. Okay. If you can, just pull the paper back. Alright. Okay. And then follow me to the oven. We're gonna leave this to the end for decoration. Like 15 minutes before the cakes get ready, I'm gonna peel it and I'm gonna put it on the top of the cake. It looks lovely. Come with me to the oven. Gonna put straight into the oven. 335. Bottom 4, 3, top 5. 35 to 40. Okay. We say 15-20 minutes before the cake comes out. Nice and soft. It smells amazing. One banana, the one we're gonna decorate. We just put it in the middle here. Gentle, push it. I'll take it out. That's it, in the middle. And leave it for another 20 minutes, 25, depending on the oven. It looks really lovely.
You don't want me to?
Okay. Because it's such a high cake, when you're doing, you're gonna stick a knife inside. If you can dry and wet, that's ready. So here it is. It's nice and hot. So it just comes from the oven. And what is nice about this cake, even if it lasts 4 to 5 days, what you do, just slice them, alright, and you can have them as a toast them with butter and jam, delicious. Here's a banana bread. Gonna make it more interesting. Yeah. What we do, a little bit of ice and sugar. Okay, I'll tell you the recipe. It's easy and simple. A 500 gram of peeled banana, a 500 gram of caster sugar, 5 eggs, 125 ml of vegetable oil, 125 ml of fresh milk, a 500 gram of just plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soda powder, or 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Alright, this is absolutely lovely. Look, it smells sensational. There we go.
It's
Enjoy.
my favourite, darling.
Is it?
Yes.